Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Crimson Desert is not launching on PC, specifically in this case Steam, but if you have on Epic Games or other, also it can fix this problem. So if you press play and nothing happens, after a while it basically go back to a play button, not launching. That's what you need to do first, is to look for search and look for Smart App Control, and then make sure it's off, and then look if the problem persists for you or not. Next thing for you is you need to make sure that you open Steam as admin, and then right click on Crimson Desert, go to properties, install files, browse, then scroll down until you see bin64. Then you need to look for Crimson Desert exe, right click on it, show more options, properties, and then compatibility, and run this program as administrator, apply the changes, and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, select disable full screen optimizations, run this program in compatibility mode 4, apply the changes, and then look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then you need to lower your refresh rate, because with this game, basically if you have a higher refresh rate monitor like 240, 360 or more, try to set your monitor refresh rate on 60 and then launch the game. So go to display settings, then scroll down until you see basically advanced display. Select your right monitor if you have multiple ones, and then set to 60, right? Set to 60, and once it's set, keep the changes, and then launch the game, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, open up Steam, look for Crimson Desert, go to properties, and force to open Crimson Desert in windowed mode, and then you can change it in game settings. And with the Hertz thing, when you launch the game and everything is working for you, then you can go back here and go to display settings, and then here you should, after the game is launched, you can set to 40 or whatever your monitor holds, right? So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.